Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys secrets you might have missed on the new Dressing Press update. So if you can see here, the devs wrote us a letter. It says, "Dear player, thank you for playing the summer update Love Motor Princess and heart. I don't know how to say that. Then to go to the meet room, red room, whatever you want to call it, you can just go here to the salon. You can just go straight ahead here and you're automatically in the meet room. There's nothing next to the door anyways, so you won't be able to go there. Maybe they'll have it in part 2. The Lana dress is here, and then you can also see memes that have gone viral in the Dressing Press community. All like the dresses are here, like the outfits that are hidden are here. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.